Your cruise cabin is 180 square feet. That's smaller than most walk-in closets. Yet some cruisers turn this tiny space into an organized, comfortable retreat, while others spend 7 days feeling cramped and frustrated. The difference? 15 simple strategies that experienced cruisers use but rarely talk about. I'm counting down 15 cruise cabin secrets that will transform your floating hotel room from cramped quarters into a perfectly organized home base. Some will double your storage space. Others will save you hundreds of dollars. And number one, it's the insider secret that unlocks VIP-level service most passengers never receive. If you're cruising in 2026, these 15 cabin hacks will change everything. Let's start with number 15. Cruise tip number 15. Magnetic bathroom storage. Most cruise ship bathrooms feature metal walls behind the mirror, creating the perfect surface for magnetic storage solutions. This simple addition gives you instant organization for toiletries, medications, and small accessories without taking up precious counter space. Smart cruisers pack multiple magnetic strips to create vertical storage that transforms cramped bathrooms into efficiently organized spaces. Cruise tip number 14, hanging shoe organizer. The back of your bathroom door becomes valuable real estate when equipped with an over-door shoe organizer. Each pocket holds everything from snacks and electronics to documents and souvenirs. This strategy effectively doubles your storage capacity while keeping items easily accessible throughout your cruise. But wait until you hear about the charging station secret that eliminates the biggest cabin frustration most passengers face. We'll get to that game changer in just a moment. Cruise tip number 13, cruise cabin charging station solution. Most cruise cabins offer limited electrical outlets, often located in inconvenient positions. A compact power strip with multiple USB ports transforms one outlet into a comprehensive charging station for all your devices. Position this near your bed or desk area to create a dedicated electronics hub that keeps everything powered and organized. Stay with me, because later in the video, I'll share the one insider tip that quietly saves travelers hundreds of dollars on nearly every cruise. Cruise tip number 12, how to fix harsh cruise cabin. Lighting instantly. Cruise cabin lighting tends to be harsh and unflattering, especially in the evenings. Battery-powered LED strips attached to the ceiling or around mirrors create warm, relaxing atmosphere, perfect for unwinding after busy port days. This simple addition transforms sterile cabin lighting into a cozy retreat that enhances your cruise experience. Cruise tip number 11, beating dry cruise, ship air for better sleep. Pack a small humidifier or essential oil diffuser to combat dry ship air. Cruise ships maintain low humidity levels that can leave you feeling dehydrated and uncomfortable. A portable humidifier or diffuser adds moisture to your cabin air while creating a spa-like atmosphere. Many experienced cruisers swear by this secret for better sleep quality and overall comfort during their cruise vacation. Here's where things get really interesting, because the next strategy involves a little-known cruise ship feature that most passengers completely ignore. Quick pause. If even one of these cabin tips has already made your cruise feel easier or more comfortable, hit the like button. It really helps this video reach other cruisers who need it. And if you cruise regularly or you're planning a trip in 2026, make sure you're subscribed. I share practical, real-world cruise tips like these every week. No fluff, just things that actually work. Alright, let's keep going, because the next tip can save you more money than almost any other cabin hack. Cruise tip number 10, hidden under bed storage. Utilize the space under your bed for luggage storage optimization. Most cruise cabins feature beds with significant clearance underneath, creating hidden storage space for empty suitcases and bulky items. Rather than leaving luggage on cabin floors or in closets, experienced cruisers slide empty bags under the bed to maximize walking space and closet accessibility. This strategy keeps cabins feeling spacious and organized throughout the entire cruise. Cruise tip number 9. Why smart cruisers request extra towels and pillows. Early, request extra towels and pillows during embarkation day. Cabin stewards appreciate proactive requests and are more likely to accommodate special needs when asked early in the cruise. Extra towels prove invaluable for beach days, pool activities, and general convenience. Additional pillows enhance sleep comfort and can be arranged for optimal television viewing or reading in bed. Smart cruisers make these requests during the first day to establish positive relationships with their cabin stewards. Sarah from Texas told me that requesting extra pillows on day one transformed her balcony reading sessions into pure luxury. But the strategy coming up at number 7 will save you more money than all the previous tips combined. Cruise tip number 8, small fan trick for quiet, comfortable cruise cabins. Pack a small fan for enhanced air circulation and white noise. Cruise cabin air conditioning systems sometimes struggle to maintain consistent comfort levels, especially in interior cabins. A small portable fan provides additional air circulation while creating gentle white noise that masks hallway sounds and neighbor conversations. This dual-purpose device significantly improves sleep quality and overall cabin comfort for light sleepers. Pause for just a second. We're halfway through this countdown, and if you've been paying attention, you've already learned tips that save real money and fix the biggest cabin frustrations most cruisers complain about. But here's what matters. The next 7 tips are the ones experienced cruisers never talk about openly. Tip number 7 can save you over $100 on a single sailing. Tip number 3 prevents the mistake that quietly ruins formal nights and shore excursions for thousands of passengers every year. And tip number 1, it's the crew relationship move that unlocks better service, better seating, and priority help without paying extra. If you click away now, you'll miss the strategies that separate first-time cruisers from people who always seem to get better cabins, better service, and better experiences without spending more money. Stay right here. Cruise tip number 7. Bring your own snacks and drinks. Cruise saving strategy. Cruise lines allow passengers to bring limited quantities of non-alcoholic beverages and snacks aboard, representing significant savings opportunities. Pack favorite sodas, water bottles, coffee, and non-perishable snacks to avoid inflated ship prices. Experienced cruisers estimate saving $50 to $100 per person by strategically packing their own consumables within cruise line guidelines. Cruise tip number 6, packing cubes and compression bags for cruise closets. Use packing cubes and compression bags for efficient closet organization. Cruise cabin closets offer limited space that requires strategic organization for week-long stays. Packing cubes separate clothing categories, while compression bags reduce bulky item volume by up to 50%. This system allows you to pack more efficiently while maintaining organized access to all clothing throughout your cruise vacation. And here's something that will surprise you. The next tip involves a cruise cabin feature that 90% of passengers never even notice exists. Cruise tip number 5, bathroom hooks and counter space hacks for cruise cabins. Cruise bathrooms typically offer minimal counter space for toiletries and personal care items. Adhesive hooks on walls and shower areas create instant hanging storage for loofahs, razors, and washcloths. Small stackable containers organize cosmetics and medications while keeping countertops clear for daily use. Cruise tip number 4, nightlight safety. Tip every cruise cabin needs. Pack a nightlight for safe midnight navigation without disturbing your cabin mate. Cruise cabins can become pitch black at night, making bathroom trips hazardous without proper lighting. A small LED nightlight provides gentle illumination for safe movement while avoiding bright overhead lights that disturb sleeping partners. Battery-operated motion sensor lights offer the most convenient solution for this common cruise cabin challenge. The insider tip I've mentioned before is booking smart with Expedia. It lets you book cruises, pre-cruise hotels, and shore excursions together, often saving up to 25%, with flexible cancellation and 24/7 support, which is especially helpful if itineraries change. Instead of juggling multiple booking sites, everything stays in one place, and you still get access to major cruise lines like Royal Caribbean, Carnival, Norwegian, MSC, and Princess. Use the link in the description to check current cruise deals and book your next voyage the smart way. Cruise tip number 3, cabin communication system that prevents missed plans. Create a communication station with dry erase boards or sticky notes. Cruise cabins become communication hubs for families and couples coordinating daily activities and meeting times. A small dry erase board or collection of sticky notes enables easy message leaving for cabin mates. This low-tech solution prevents missed connections and ensures everyone stays informed about daily plans and schedule changes. But wait, because the final 2 secrets are the ones that separate amateur cruisers from true veterans who maximize every aspect of their cabin experience. Cruise tip number 2, cruise card and daily schedule organization trick. Establish a dedicated spot for your cruise card and daily schedule. Lost cruise cards and missed activities represent 2 of the most common cruise frustrations. Experienced cruisers designate specific locations near the cabin door for cruise cards, daily schedules, and port information. This simple organization system prevents lost cards and ensures you never miss announcements about activities, dining times, or port procedures. Mike from Florida shared that creating a designated cruise card spot saved his family from missing their dinner reservation on formal night. And now for the number 1 cruise cabin secret that experienced cruisers consider absolutely essential but rarely share with newcomers. Cruise tip number 1, cabin steward. Relationship secret master. The art of strategic tip envelopes and cabin steward relationships. Your cabin steward controls numerous aspects of your cruise experience beyond basic cleaning services. Experienced cruisers understand that building positive relationships through appropriate communication and end-of-cruise tipping creates significantly enhanced service levels. This includes faster housekeeping, accommodation of special requests, and insider information about ship activities and dining availability. Smart cruisers prepare tip envelopes in advance and engage respectfully with stewards to unlock personalized service that transforms good cruises into unforgettable experiences. The difference between novice and experienced cruisers often comes down to understanding these cabin optimization strategies that cruise lines don't advertise. Your cabin becomes the foundation for your entire cruise experience, and these 15 secrets ensure you maximize comfort, convenience, and cost savings throughout your voyage. Implementing even half of these strategies will dramatically improve your cruise cabin experience while saving money and reducing stress. The most successful cruisers view their cabin as a strategic base of operations rather than simply a place to sleep. Remember, cruise vacations represent significant investments in time and money. So, optimizing your cabin experience maximizes the value of your entire trip. These insider secrets transform ordinary cruise cabins into efficient, comfortable retreats that enhance every aspect of your floating vacation. If this video helped you discover new ways to optimize your cruise cabin experience, please hit that like button and subscribe for more travel tips and cruise secrets. Your support helps us continue creating content that saves fellow travelers money while enhancing their vacation experiences. What's your favorite cruise cabin tip? Share your own secrets in the comments below and help fellow cruisers optimize their next adventure.